Hello, I'm Dr. David Roberts from Manchester West Veterinary Hospital, and we're here today to talk to you about noise phobia, which is basically the fear of loud noises. So we think about thunder, fireworks, those are probably the things that are the most common with our canine patients. The first thing that we try to say is when you have a young dog or a puppy, try to make sure that they understand that it's okay to hear these noises and that they're not going to be fearful of them. What we do with Emmy here, and today is a thunderstorm day here in St. Louis, what we do is we take her out, we walk her outside when there's lightning, thunder, noises, and we want to make sure that she gets used to that. She gets used to the rain, and she gets used to those things. I'll give her treats when we're walking, and we'll make sure that she understands that this is normal. It's part of her life, that it's not a scary type of thing. The worst thing that clients can do is actually coddle or try to make their pet feel that it's okay with compassion. That actually doesn't work, because what we find is that sort of ingrains the behavior of fear, because they think, well, if it's that bad, then I am going to be afraid. So we try to make it a happy time. We say, let's go out and let's go in the rain. And we try to make it seem like it's a normal type of thing, and it's something that she will get acclimated to. Now, once you have a pet that actually has a fear of thunderstorms or fireworks or loud noises, then you have to start to work a little bit harder. Some of the things that we do is we use animated toys. These are a type of toy that you can put a treat in. They can work to get it out. It actually gives them something to do while they're, enduring a thunderstorm. This is another one that, again, we can put the treat in the bottom. It's a smaller one, and it's certainly something that the pets can play with, and it gives them some distraction during this noise, this thunder or firework episodes. What we used to use, and we still do unfortunately, we use different drugs for sedation, and we use one called acepromazine, and this is Valium or diazepam, and we use both of these drugs in a pinch to make sure that the pet's not going to be destructive. We have had some pets that have literally torn up cages, they've torn up rooms, they've torn up beds, they've torn up different things because they're so fearful of these thunderstorms. Those pets probably need to have some kind of a tranquilizer, and they need to have something that will help them get through that period of time. The other thing that has come out, and I'm going to show a picture of this, is a product called the Thundershirt. What it is it's basically a constrictive type of shirt that you put on the pet. And what it is like, it's a lot like swaddling a baby. So swaddling a baby was supposed to be to make them not cry, to make them less anxious, and that's what we're trying to do with the Thundershirt. And they do work for most of the pets. They work very well when they work. The last thing that we have for thunderstorms is a new product, and we've got this. It's called attain, and attain is a product that is a nutraceutical. It's more holistic. It's not an actual drug like the other things that we've shown. What it is it's actually like having green tea. And what they say is that it's like drinking 40 or 50 cups of green tea without all the caffeine, so it doesn't have the stimulatory effect. But what it does is it actually calms these pets. And this is something that the pets can be on during like our thunderstorm seasons in St. Louis where we live. It's basically going to be in the spring, and then we might have a reflare back in the fall. So we use this product for these pets, and it seems to be working very well. On our website and in this YouTube, you will see that we're actually doing a study with one of our board-certified behavioral specialists that we're seeing how this will work out. And she's conducting the study, and we are just supplying her with the cases. So it's certainly something that if you see this, if you have a dog that's having problems with thunderstorms or noise phobia, we will be using this study until about May 15th or so. So if you have have interest, you can call at the number on the video. But the medication seems to be working very well in our limited studies right now. So when it comes to noise and phobias and fear of these thunderstorms and fireworks, the best thing is try to get your younger dog used to it, make sure that they're okay with it, play with them, don't make it a big coddling type of situation. The second thing is, if they have that, we have different things that we can use to try to make them more comfortable during these thunderstorms. I'm Dr. Dave Roberts from Manchester West Veterinary Hospital. Thanks for tuning in.